Hello, beauty connoisseurs. Hello, everyone out there in YouTube land. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And if you don't mind, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and take a moment to hit the red subscription button down below. And also click on the notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload a new video. Interested in this unit that I'm wearing, her name is Moda by Zuri Sis, and she's a really nice, simple, easy, just stick her on, you're ready to go, and I'll leave the information card for that review right here. So today I have an Amazon unit that was sent to me by Nicole and Tulip, and it came with this wig cap. It was $16.99 on Amazon, and I got it in this wine color because I thought that would be very appropriate for the fall season that's coming up. And this is what it looks like. It's a very pretty wine color, and it has dark roots, and that's the parting space. It's that plastic parting space, but we can fix that. And also it's kind of thick right here, but I'm going to do a tutorial and show you guys how to fix that and make it lay flat on your head. So let me put this on real quick and I'll show you, kind of let you see what I'm talking about, and then we'll go into the tutorial. Alright, I forgot to mention that this unit doesn't have any combs in it, not in the front or the back, and it's very roomy. I would say it's big head friendly, but I have on a wig grip, so it's not going to slide around. If you want to sew some combs in from an old wig, you can, or you can go buy some new combs at Beauty Supply and sew those in. You just have to have combs, and you can always use bobby pins too. So this is what I'm saying, how it looks wiggy right here, but we're going to fix that. Other than that, this wig looks perfect. It's easy. You just put it on your head and go. I like the dark roots at the up here and how it graduates into this nice burgundy color. It's straight, it's not humpy. It has the perfect bend here at the bottom. So let's look at it all the way around. And it has a lot of body and movement to it. So let's get into the tutorial portion of this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to be working in this area right here, and we're going to have to take out the material that's underneath here that's making it bulky and keeping the wig from laying flat. So I'm going to take my scissors and just try to cut the threads here. And I can't really see what I'm doing, y'all. I'm gonna have to go get my glasses. Alright, I hope y'all can see where I'm starting to get this to come up right here. I'm getting that thread to loosened and cut, and we're going to get underneath here is where we're trying to get. So I'm just taking my scissors and just kind of going underneath there and cutting. And most of this I'm gonna have to do off camera because I can't see without my glasses. But I can't see when I put my glasses on, I can't see the screen. So now you can see where I'm starting to get it to separate right here. And that's the part that we want to remove so that we just have, oh, I don't know if y'all can see. We want to remove that bottom layer. Now see how much I have opened up here. I have that much opened up, and I'm going to cut this off, and then our unit will lay flat like we want it to. Y'all, there is a YouTuber named MsCinnamonSpice that does a much better job of demonstrating this than I do, and I will leave her information in the description box below. Okay, so this is the little piece that we took out, and this is how it looks. I put some concealer in the part, and I also plucked it just a little bit here at the front, and then I just put a little wispy hair there to kind of camouflage that line of demarcation. And I don't have any shedding. I have maybe 2 strands in the brush. It's not tangling, and I think it's just a perfect everyday sleigh. And of course, we can tuck some behind our ear like that, and you're good to go. So other than taking that little piece out of the front there, it's a very easy unit to wear, and I think it's worth it. And from Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime, you get free shipping. So yeah, I think that's it. I got my shades. Okay, I'm back. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.